Hi, so today we are going to learn how to navigate your client's QB QuickBooks Online account. So, uh, once you log into your firm's account, you just go to the Go to Books and then click the clients that you want here. If you have so many clients already, all of them will appear here, and you just have to click that to that particular clients in order to access their QuickBooks Online account. So for today, we are going to log into the sample company in order for us to learn how to navigate the QuickBooks Online for your clients. But before that, let me tell you the difference. So if you are in your firm's QuickBooks, you will see this one, accountant, and your practice and your books here. Okay, so let's go ahead and uh, sign and access the sample company. So just click the gear icon here and click sample company. When you open the sample company, you will be signed out of your current firm. So let's continue. Okay, so as you can see, we are now on the sample company, which is Craig's Design and Landscaping. So as you can see, you'll no longer see the accountant here. So this is the interface of your client's QuickBooks Online. So you will see here the plus new button. It's the same as your firm's. And the only difference is that you will no longer see here your firm and your books here. Okay, so the menus are the dashboard here. It is divided into getting things done and the business overview. So getting things done helps you to take the task for the day. So for example, we have overdue task here. Remind your customers about 10 unpaid invoices. You also have overdue bills. You also have to categorize transactions. You see also here your bank accounts and your quick actions if you want to uh, invoice a customer, prepare a bill, prepare invoice, deposit, and pay your vendors. You can also see more. You have here the money in and the money out transactions. And you can explore here QuickBooks products also. And you have here on the left hand navigation, we have the banking, sales, customer list, cash flows, expenses, payroll, time, reports, taxes, mileage, accounting, my accountant, capital, commerce apps, and others. We have here uh, your company, the list, tools, and profile. So it's almost the same as the your firms. This one is the accountant view. If you want to switch to business view, just click that. So we are now on the business view. So the business view is this one. So under the business view, this is for non-accountants, or which here you'll find non-accountant terms. You'll see it would be easier to manage accounts without complicated workflows and processes, and customized it has a fully customized left-hand navigation, hides or bookmarks menu items here. For example, if you want to put in all sales, chart of accounts, contractors, customers, expenses, and others, and then after you bookmark this one, for example, let's bookmark chart of accounts and then save. It will appear here. Let me remove this. So the chart of accounts now is appearing here. You can also erase that, remove bookmark. Okay. So under this left-hand navigation, it's easier for those who are non-accountants, to understand what to do next. For example, the getting things done. These are the tasks that you will do. You have the bank accounts here and the quick actions here if you want to write to pay your customers, to invoice your customers here, to pay vendors, pay your expenses, deposit money. These are all your money in here and your money out here. Okay, so under the business overview, you'll have uh, your cash flow forecast here. You have the bank accounts, profit and loss, expenses. You also have your sales here, which are divided into unpaid, paid, and the amount which are not deposited and deposited. You also have your sales here for 30 days. The reports are accessed here also. You have the standard. You can customize the reports also and make reports to managements. You also have the planner here. If you want to start planning for your cash flow, you just have to click start planning. So that is the business overview. Under bookkeeping, you have the transactions here. You have bank transactions, app transactions. These are the transactions which are connected, which happens under your applications, which are connected to QuickBooks. So you can connect your Amazon seller account, your eBay, your Shopify shop, if you have an Amazon business, and your Square to import transactions from your Square account. So remember that these are free. The connection of your apps is free. You also have the receipts here. You can upload from your computer, upload the receipts from your Google Drive, or forward it from an email. You also can access all sales here. Your all sales is divided into the money bars are here. You'll know how the estimates, the unbilled income, the overdue invoices, open invoices and credits, and the amount which are recently paid. So all your sales are here. And you can also see all your expenses here. Okay. So if you want to prepare a new transaction, so under the expense tabs, you can see all your expenses here. If you want to add a new transaction, for example, a bill, expense, you want to write a check, to prepare a purchase order or a vendor credit or pay down credit card, just click any one of these transactions to create new ones. So these are your expenses. So under the rules, you can create rules for recurring transactions. For example, we'll explore this later in a separate video. So your chart of accounts are here. So these are the chart of accounts of Craig's Landscape and Design. So once you create your client's company under QuickBooks Online, you will be asked the kind of business they are into, and QuickBooks will readily prepare a predetermined chart of accounts in that specific kind of line of business. So here you can create tags. For example, if you have here, for example, you are teaching classes and divided into aerobics and yoga classes. So we'll take up tags later. You can also invite your accountant here so that they can uh, they can access a client's account. So for example, your client has already their QuickBooks Online. They have to invite you just by putting your email here and then click invite, and then you will receive an email in order to get access to their QuickBooks Online. Here you'll see how to match. This is where you reconcile the books to the bank records of your client. So here you'll see all of the overview of get, pay, and pay. The overview, this is the income over a period of time. You'll see the timeline here. This is a setup pathways on how to set up your get, pay, and paid get paid and pay account in QuickBooks, and you also have your shortcuts here. You can also create payment links here. So you also have a money bar for your invoice, which are unpaid, overdue, and not due, and those invoices which are already paid, which are not deposited, and those that are deposited. Not deposited means that the money is still on your hand. So under get paid, you have customers. You can access here all your customers. This is a money bar which shows an estimate of a bill, unbilled activities, overdue invoices, open invoices, and the last invoices which are paid in the last 30 days. You can also prepare your estimates here. You can also prepare invoices here by creating an invoice. Under the invoices, you'll see all the overdue, all the invoices here. You'll see the overdue first, and then the due in several days, and those that are paid and deposited. So under the payment links, you can share this link for you to get paid. You can prepare a QR code or send it. You can send these payment links using a link to send it in an email or text, or you can also display it as a QR code for in-person payment. So through these payment links, you can get paid easily anywhere, anytime. Under time, you have you have to launch your QuickBooks Time for your team in order for them to in order for you to track time, manage projects, and track where they are also. You can also access here your products and services. If you are selling physical products, you'll see your stocks here if they are low in stock and if it is out of stock. Under the Pay tab, you can see all your vendors here. You also have a money bar saying which is divided into purchase orders, those overdue and open bills, and the last 30 days of bills that you paid to vendors. You can also see bills here. You can add a bill by clicking add bill. So in order to add bill, just click add bill and then create a recurring, or you can upload from your computer. You can also see your unpaid bills here and those that are paid here. Under the contractors, you have your list of contractors here. You can view those who are active and inactive. Okay. Under the customers and leads, you'll see all your customers here. If you want to add a new customer, just click new customer and it will take you to this form and fill up what is required and then save. You also have the money bar here for estimates, unbilled invoices, overdue, open invoices, and those which are paid. The marketing here is connected to MailChimp. If you have a MailChimp account, connect it to your QuickBooks in order to streamline your marketing to your clients or customers. Under commerce, you can connect your sales channel like eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. Here you'll be able to see the orders and refunds and also the payouts here. Under payroll, you have here all your employees and your contractors here also. If you want to track time, you should launch QuickBooks Time. And you can also see here the workers' compliance. As for the taxes, you have your sales tax here and the 1099 filings here. The apps are here. You can find apps by putting the tools or apps or your business needs here, or browse categories here. So these are the apps which you can connect to your to the QuickBooks Online for your client. So after the apps, you'll see the mileage. If you can track mileage automatically, and this is the amount of mileage that you can um, deduct or add to QuickBooks per mile. So this is available in a mobile app. Okay. So the bookmarks we have already done that. You can also access menu settings here and switch your account to business view here. So we are now switching to business view. So as you can see, the left-hand navigation is different the um, from the accountant view. So we are in accountant view, as you can see here. And to switch to business view, just click here. So next time we are going to dig down deeper to each of the navigation of the QuickBooks Online for your accountant. See you on our next video.